Hello, everyone, and welcome. My name is Christy Bro, and I'm so honored to be part of the Alliance for Massage Education. We are excited about our upcoming conference, November 6th through the 8th in Kansas City, Missouri. Today's conversation is centered around our theme, which is collaboration. And I'm here with Laura Allen, who has been licensed for 26 years, who has been a provider for 24 years, provider of continuing education. She is the president of sales and marketing at Cryoderm, which is a family owned company located in Florida. They make plant-based pain relief and therapeutic massage products. She's also on the team of Cryoderm Educators. She's a graduate of University and the Whole You School of Massage and Bodywork. She is the author of numerous books, um, and is in her eighth year as author of Heart of Bodywork, which is the regular ethics column in the Massage and Bodywork magazine. She lives in Western North Carolina with her husband James and their two rescue dogs. Welcome, Laura.
Thank you for having me. Happy to be here.
Absolutely. Thank you. So, can you tell us what you're going to be presenting at the Alliance Conference in November?
Well, I'm going to be giving a keynote speech, and I am also teaching a 3-hour class that's called Collaboration in Massage Therapy Education, Building Effective Partnerships. So that class will be centered around the fact that, we're not on a desert island here. We collaborate with each other. We collaborate.
Hmm.
There's opportunities to collaborate everywhere. Opportunities to collaborate with other educators.
Hmm.
We have to collaborate with a certain extent, no matter what role we're filling in massage. It may be a collaboration between schools and students, bringing in former students, uh, cooperating with the state massage board, and collaboration with our massage organizations to some extent
Hmm.
as well. So there's just all kinds of opportunities for collaboration there.
Yeah. Well, what are some of your favorite ways that you've collaborated with others? Who have you been working with that's really exciting to you?
Well, I guess I'm allowed to say this now. For the past year and a half, I have been collaborating with a group of other ethics authors, and we have been creating some guidelines to prevent sexual assault and in the massage profession. And so that has not yet been released to the public yet. There's going to be a website about it. I'm not going to name the names of the people who are participating in that, but we've been meeting every few weeks for about a year and a half uh, over Zoom to get that done. So hopefully it'll be rolling out before too much longer. And that's been a great collaboration to participate in because ethics is
Hmm.
my pet subject, and also the pet subject of, as I said, there are other authors, and one of them is they're educators also. One of them is an educator and not an author, I think, but we've been working together for some time. So that's been one of my favorite collaborations.
Hmm. Well, that's very important work, and thank you for sharing that. I'm looking forward to seeing uh, that work.
Thank you.
Um, Another question I wanted to ask you, if you could collaborate with anyone, present or past, who would it be?
Sandy Fritz.
Yeah.
I just admire everything she does. I have been fortunate to meet her in person a few times, but
Yeah.
she is so active. I mean, she's, a brilliant author, a school owner, and she's of course not the only well-known massage therapist that's in that position of writing books and running a school at the same time. But she also really makes the extra time to. She's on social media every day, not just, I might be on there posting pictures of my dog, you never know, but Sandy is on there every day talking about things that are relevant to massage. She's always very generous with her advice and her knowledge, and I just admire her greatly. So that's who I'd
Yeah.
collaborate
Yeah. Well, maybe she'll hear this and take the call.
with. Well,
That's something you can do together.
I think one of the most important collaborations that we've ever had, and that included you and me and a bunch of other nice people. And that was the collaboration we did for the Alliance for Massage Therapy Education of updating all the resources and all that. That was certainly not a lone project for anybody. It was a very well coordinated, and I believe you were the coordinator of that, weren't you?
Yes, ma'am.
It
Thank
was
you.
very well coordinated, and everybody just put a lot of effort into it. So
Hmm.
that's one of the best examples of collaboration that I've seen in the past year or two.
Well, thank you, Laura. I appreciate that, and I appreciate your help with the project. I think the Alliance board were happy with it.
Good, good.
Yeah, and the members will be also.
Yes, they will.
So, well, I'm so grateful to have the opportunity to speak with you today. Looking forward to the conference. It's going to be a lot of fun, and I know your class is going to be great. So,
I'm looking
good
forward
luck
to
to you.
seeing everybody out there.
Yeah. So the conference again is November 6th through the 8th in Kansas City, Missouri, and we hope to see you there. Thanks, Laura. Appreciate you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. All
Bye
right.
bye.
Bye-bye.